it's been a while. My name is me, so with a D, not me, so please don't call me that if you're new to the channel. But wait for you to subscribe, and if you're not, sis, what do you think? Because I gotta put you on. I know. It's
not too much though.
It's been a minute since y'all seen his face, but I've been dealing with life, just dealing with life.
I just freak out.
I literally just woke up and it's like, I think it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm about to wash my eyes and then I'm gonna get that video going for y'all. Installing a wig on camera for the first time. So that should be fun. Let's go. Before you put on that wig, you can't be walking around like a dirty girl with dirty skin. So I'm gonna show y'all what I put on my skin. So I think it's pronounced Fage. I don't know. It's yogurt, 0% milk fat, and then apple cider vinegar. You know, the motherhood. You know. Then in here's the Aztec clay mask, and I dash some turmeric in there. I mix it all up. I take nothing serious except my money. So yeah, I'm just waiting. I had this on my face for about 15 minutes. You cannot leave that clay mask on for longer than 15 minutes. And look at that skin. Glowing, shining, yeah. And then after all of that, I go with my coconut oil. It's organic. I got it from Walmart. I'm gonna show y'all how I install my wig for the first time, and I still don't know what it look. I'm not used to it. Calm down. Should I put the brightness up? Oh, okay. There's some bugs. I'm just going to moisturize my skin with the coconut oil, which is organic. You could refrigerate this if you want. I don't. Personally, I don't. But yeah, this is all I've been using on my skin. Yeah, I just been trying to get my mental back together and stuff like that. Do what I have to do for myself. Really gotta be selfish in this era. Look at my legs. That is mad loud. Like,
whoa, hey.
I'm not going anywhere, but I want to be dressed somewhat, so yeah. I got all over the place. First, this wig is from Ali Pearl. I purchased it with my own money a few months ago. I was originally supposed to wear it when I went to Atlanta, but it didn't come in time. So I had my friend bleach it, plug it, and she put it on for me. She did a great job. I just had to wash this out, but this is the wig. I think it's a 13x4. I'll look at my email, but I think it's a 13x4 lace frontal. I wanted a bob, but I didn't want a Edna bob. I wanted like a sophisticated mom bob, which is a little bit more. I bought this dress from a cute boutique over here. I really have plans for it. And then it popped once I tried it in New York because I gained some weight, but I'm still gonna wear it. It's still giving, but I don't think I'm gonna. That's what he was. So hear me out. Yes, I do the broadcast method. Pretty light, but that's what the makeup's for. I go like, I love it. Oh, Yakult bags. I already oiled my scalp, greased my scalp. She's ready. But what I didn't do was put my edgy back, so that's what I'm about to do. There's values. I'm only applying this wig because I have to go to DPS, which is the DMV, and I'm pretty sure they asked to take a picture right there and then. And my natural hair is perfectly fine, but I don't feel like dealing with it afterward. And that's a tan line, that's not my edges like receding. No. That's a tan line.
What do I want?
No commercials. Y'all started. I don't know what time I started doing my hair, but I'm pretty sure it's been like 2 hours. 2 hours. It's even natural though, not gonna lie. I did go back after the video, cleaned it up, cut it a little bit more now, so it looks natural. Yeah, don't come for me in the comments. Wind blow, we don't gotta worry about it. I'm not worried about it. So yeah, y'all, get y'all wiggins. I mean, get your alley curl. My band back on, a scarf, and call it a day. I'm hungry. But thank you guys for watching, tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Yeah, I might just start doing a wig thing.
Bye. Have a beautiful time.